Hey everybody, how are you? Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. This is Thursday, March 25, 2021. I want to apologize. I'm still fighting a cold, so in case I cough or something, I'll try to get the mic turned off so it's not on the recording. Also, before the recording's over, more than likely my voice will be just about given out, so I do apologize. Okay, first things first. Please, if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, reach over there in the corner. I think it's your lower right corner of your screen maybe, and click on that little subscribe button over there. I sure would appreciate it. If you like what you're hearing, if you think these videos help you out, please give us a thumbs up. Write a note. Let us know even some ideas for subjects, or if you have questions about the chart, please let me know, and we will work on getting those answers to you, okay? So today, well, let's take a look at the market, and then we're going to take a look at some trades. So let's just start with the market here, okay? Great day, right? Absolutely fabulous day, for one day anyway. We still need follow through. Here's a SPY, a bullish piercing candle coming off the 50-period moving average. That's nice. But we still have this downtrend. So we're not completely out of the woods. We need to break out up here. Diamonds, I think the diamonds acted pretty darn good here today. But again, we need to break out. We've got a little bullish engulf here. That's always positive, but it's really only positive if we have follow through. So I think it's important that we follow through. Now, on follow through, it doesn't mean we have to follow through tomorrow. But what we don't want is to pull back and get below today's low. We don't want to do that. We don't want to get below today's low. It's okay if we stay here. I mean, tomorrow is Friday, so it could be a slow day. It could be a profit-taking day. But that's the last thing we want, is to break below the lows. If we do, well, this bullish engulf pretty much means absolutely nothing. What we would like to see is follow through. Again, it doesn't have to happen though tomorrow. IWM, we closed out our IWM put, made a nice little chunk of change on that, and then the buyers came right in here, and we do have a bullish piercing candle. That's fantastic, but I'm sorry, there has to be a but in here, right? Until we get past 220.30, the 50-period moving average, really, we don't have anything. We need to get past that. And a type of chart pattern that I might want to look for is something like this. Up, and then we pull back and test, and then we see buyers come in. That might be what I want to look for here. And it doesn't have to happen all, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Could all be next week. All right, let's take a look at some charts. First, I want to go over, and I want to, for the members of Hit and Run Candlesticks, and I also sent this to Right Way Options, I sent a trade that Doug placed today with Right Way Options. I'm also posting a couple of trades, all the trades I made, and we're going to talk about a couple of them right here real quick. I added to my KR today. I thought today was a good day to add to it, and it certainly looks that way. We're currently up a little over 11% right now. Still looking for this to move a little bit higher. A new trade we took today was Oracle. We took Oracle today pretty much as it started moving over the T-line here, and that ended really well for us, up 11.5% today. So not too shabby. I'll post the rest of the stocks in an email to the members and trial members of Hit Run Candlesticks and Right Way Options, okay? All right, let's look at some trades. Where'd my list go? There we go. Sorry, had to search for my list here. So here's some charts that we're putting on the Road to Wealth watch list. We're going to keep track of them, keep an eye on them, and wait for those buying opportunities. Keep in mind that the buying opportunities might not come tomorrow. They might not even come 3 days from now, but they'll be on the watch list. And when they start alerting on our alerts and fitting our buying criteria, then we'll look to buy those. One of these charts is going to be AN, Automation Inc. here. You can see that we've got a bit of resistance right here, don't we? Right in there. So I'm thinking with this, a nice candle today, by the way. I love the candle today. I'm thinking with this, we put a buy box up here like that. That's what I'm thinking on that. So I'm going to wait for it to break out and then pull back, give us a nice little entry up here. So that's what I'm looking for on AN. And of course, we'll put a stop on at the time we buy it. And then, as always, we'll take profits into strength as price moves up when it meets our goals. Another chart is NU. Now, this is one that we also bought today. NU. We had a new member in the Hit Run Candlestick room today, and they brought this to us, and it was such a nice chart. I know they're making money on it. They got in earlier. So thank you very much for this. I appreciate it. And like I say, we bought this today as well. So the fact that we closed over 71.40 here is pretty nice. I like that. Probably anything below 70.30, I'm not going to like that so much. This may be an add to or a completely new buy maybe on a little bit of consolidation here. Closer to that $70.30 mark. So a little bit of a pullback would sure be nice on this. HPE. Nice bullish engulf today. Good 3-bar pattern here. And I want to put a line right there. Right there. There we go. And you see we closed over that $15 area. We closed over the Trendicator. We closed over the T-line. This is looking pretty good here. Now that I'm looking at it, kind of wish I would have bought it today. Nevertheless, I think what we'll wait for is a nice little inside day buy right in there. So this is one. I'm going to keep a sharp eye on this one. Now keep in mind that we might not buy this tomorrow. In fact, there's a good chance we don't. Being tomorrow's Friday, I'm not into buying too much on Friday. I'd rather lighten up on positions on a Friday. Also, too, keep in mind that the market needs to confirm. So we're going to be a little light on our feet tomorrow. Might even take some profits off of a few things. And then, well, we'll just hit it hard next week. IDT. IDT might be setting up. IDT, nice little pop to the upside. Nice little flag pullback here. You can see the flag. There's our flag right there. I think we need to come over here and put a line. Boom. Look where we came down to. Right to the Trendicator. Right down to that, what was a resistance line, now becomes support here. That's a nice bullish engulf. I think what we'll do is, well, we'll just engulf that candle. So anything inside that box, I'm going to look at as a possible trade. FedEx. FedEx is still looking good. I should have bought FedEx today. Tonight before I pulled these charts up, I was looking at FedEx and I thought to myself, I really should have bought it. I want to buy FedEx. I believe FedEx goes higher, and today would have been a good opportunity. But I'm not too concerned. Likely it will give us another opportunity. I mean, you know, if you think FedEx is going up here or higher, then really it doesn't matter if we buy it here or if we buy it higher. We're going to buy it at the right time. So I didn't buy it today. So we'll just wait for a nice little consolidation. We'll wait for that chart to set up, and then we'll look at that buy. Pretty much anything below the Trendicator right now, and that would put us about right here. I wouldn't like that so much. Let's see here. OKE. Man, I almost bought OKE. Oh, almost. Excuse me. The options weren't great on it. Maybe they get a little bit better. It's a great looking chart. I almost bought it by the end, but I ended up buying another chart in the oil area. Yeah, so nice little pullback here. Great little bullish engulf. We'll watch for that. Maybe somewhere along the lines the options get a little better on it, or maybe it'll just have to be a stock trade, something like that. Beautiful, beautiful chart pattern. I'd love to buy inside this area, a little buy box right there. For those folks looking for stocks under 10 bucks, this might be one to take a look at. Look at GSM. Here we've popped up, and then for the most part we just went sideways. Well, all of a sudden today we put in a bullish engulf with some pretty big volume. I'd keep an eye on that. Let's watch for this thing to break out. That could be a nice little mover right in there. So we'll keep our eye on that. Let me know if anyone buys this. Yeah, get back with me and just share with me what you think about it. SEEL is another one under 10 bucks if you're looking for charts under 10 bucks. Right here, nice bullish engulf. Here's a nice big pop to the upside. Nice little pullback, little flag, and we broke out. So I think what we'll do is put the buy box just in there like that. Just about like that. Be careful with these cheaper stocks like this. They can be pretty volatile. You can make a lot of money. Man, I've made a lot of money with them. But boy, I'll tell you what, you better keep those stops in place. Well, I think that's all I have today. All that we're adding to the watch list here. Hey, I want to thank everybody for a wonderful day in the trading room. I appreciate it. And thanks for all. We had some new folks in there today. Thanks for all your input with your charts. All right, well, hope to see everybody tomorrow. You guys take care. Have a great, safe tonight. All right, see you later.